Hey guys, welcome back. We will dye my hair. Yes, you heard it right. Since it is a lockdown, it will be the best idea to dye my hair at home and to show you guys how it looks. L'Oreal Paris 300 is the color, darkest brown, casting cream gloss. Just see it. This video I'm not going to go for any drastic change in my hair color. Right now this is before. I have not applied any color so far. Kind of black, but in the mid you can see some dark brown. Before opening this packet, I want to tell you something. Please do a patch test. See the color in cream, you can see. Developer cream. Use these gloves, guys. First time you have to just wash it with this, and the next day you are going to shampoo your hair. You can read the manual. Your massage to ensure the product is thoroughly worked into the hair. Let's just start the process. Don't take any metal bowl. I'm using all of it in one single application. It is developer cream. Within 2 minutes you can just mix it up. If you have a dark color towel, please use your dark color towel. Are you ready, guys? Okay, so I will apply it section by section on all parts of my hair, and I will massage. See you after washing my hair. After 20 minutes, you can keep on seeing when you are applying this. Do not ruin your clothes. Change your clothes. We will now go and wash my hair. I'll be back and show you. As you can see, I just shampooed my hair today and it's still wet, and you can hair dry, you can towel dry your hair. Last night I just used this conditioner, rinsed my hair with this conditioner last night, and I slept off, and today morning I washed my hair with the shampoo. I will quickly towel dry or air dry my hair with using this hair dryer, and then we shall see the results. is my final result. As you can clearly see, this is natural black shade, which obviously I wanted, and I knew it will be one shade darker, so I took this darkest brown shade so that I can get my normal black and not jet black this time. So this is the final result. It's glossier, it's shinier, okay, than previous, and it is gonna last up to 2 months. So I'm just set for the next 2 months without having to worry for my hair color. Man or any women can use it. People are having gray hairs, even students, even children are having gray hairs. So you can easily use this L'Oreal Paris Casting Cream Gloss. I highly recommend this brand when it comes to coloring your hair at home. Easily see the results. See, you can easily see the results. I think this product deserves a thumbs up. The smell can be a little uncomfortable while you are sleeping, so I will suggest you in the next morning, the first thing you get up, when you get up, just shampoo your hair so that you do not have any residual or chemical left on your hair, and you don't have to smell that bad chemicals. Okay, so do that thing first. Try this one out in lockdown and do let me know how was the experience if you are doing it first time, and if you are not doing it first time, you probably know and you might be using it again and again because you know it. Well, this is not a sponsored video, guys. I do it all the time, so I thought my viewers should know. If anybody likes to cover their gray hairs, yes, it gives that optimal gray coverage for next 2 months. So I'm just set for the next 2 months, guys. I love this natural black shade of color. Like, with my skin color, it looks perfect. 300 darkest brown shade. Yes, one more thing, I wash my hairs every alternate day. This product will only last till 2 months, not more than 2 months. After 2 months, again I have to color my hair. With that being said, we will see you in the next video. Do let me know in the comment section. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Everything is welcome. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.